What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. TGS here, also known as Tech Gun Sports Lover. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today we're going to take a look at the all-in-one card reader plus 3 ports hub. This is made by Inateck. You guys have seen me review a lot of products from Inateck. Great company, love their products, really high quality stuff. This is model number HB excuse me, 301G. This is the way it comes. And on the back, it's designed for Samsung S4, S5, Note 3, Note 4, Tab 4, and Tab S. Again, this is the all-in-one card reader plus 3 ports hub. So let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. So inside the packaging, you get the actual device itself. And you also get a USB cable. Now this is used to actually power your devices. If you don't have, you can plug this in right here, and the other end can go into your wall, a USB adapter, or your computer. What I'm going to be using is my Samsung S4. Of course, this is the older phone. This is my work phone, so we'll go ahead and demonstrate how this works by using this. Okay, you want to go ahead and plug the device in. And as you can see, there's a red light here that shows that the power is on. And we'll go ahead and use 3 different memory devices. This is a Inateck 32GB thumb drive. And I'm going to talk about the ports here in a second. Let's go ahead and hook all these up. Here's another 16GB SanDisk. And this is a 4GB SD card. Okay, now before I show you that the phone actually recognizes these storage devices, let's talk a little bit about the device itself. As you can see, it does have 2 ports here on the top. That's MS and M2. Now that's for Sony memory cards. So Sony has proprietary memory cards that you can actually put into those 2 slots. You also have an SD card slot and a micro SD card slot. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's 2 slots here. So there's one here, there's one here, and one here. And again, if you need power, you just hook the cable, included cable up right here into your wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I shouldn't need any additional power, but I do want to demonstrate how that works. Okay, so just in case I needed it, I do have it hooked to the wall. So there's additional power going to this device. Now, if you hook up a tablet or something, something larger, then of course you're going to need that extra power. So let's go ahead and go to my phone. And as you can see, I went into my files, and you see USB drive A, drive C, and drive B, and then of course the device storage. So my phone now recognizes all of my storage devices that are hooked into this device. Now this is really convenient if you are someone that travels a lot. If you're a road warrior like me, I'm always on the go, pretty much always in my car. This comes in handy if you don't want to dig down your bag and get your computer or get your tablet or whatever. So let me just demonstrate that it does actually work. Okay, I'm going into some of my drives, and you can see, you can recognize the files. I'm not going to open up any of the files, but I have used this and it does work. Let me go back and go into, let's go into, there you go. As you can see, you see some Word documents here. If I go to Canon, you see some more additional documents right here. So as you can see, this does work. Specs are as follows. Of course, your interface is going to be USB 2.0, and it also recognizes 3.0. You got OTG, which is on the go. You have an SD card slot, micro SD card slot, M2 card slot, and MS card slot. Of course, those are Sony proprietary memory cards. The cable length you have is 7.28 inches, and the cable length is what this cable that we got here. The weight is 1.34 ounces, and the size, let me unplug this. The size is 2.56 by 2.36 by 0.4 inches. And it also has like a kind of a matte finish to it, so it feels really good and grippy in the hand. And once you place it down on a table or something, it's not going to slide all over the place. So that is pretty much it. I really appreciate you guys joining me. Again, this is the Inateck all-in-one card reader plus 3 ports hub. Comes to market, I think it is between $15 and $20. Down below, I'm going to include all the links to the Inateck website where you can pick this up at, as well as a link to this product on Amazon. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Talk to you next time, guys.